That is just outstanding, isn't it?
Just the way it grows great.
Yeah. I wonder how many years old that is. I think it's in a...
Well, with it being a hot area, I imagine they're not as old as you think.
No, quite a quick growth rate, yeah. Yes, it's ideal, isn't it?
It grows in twists, doesn't it? Oops.
Whoa.
What's he found up there? He's looking for a spider.
Like a white. For growth, we could cover the tree. Then strangling tree. When that's the original tree.
A little bit.
Yeah, this is right.
Wow.
When this is after grow, when this is spread the root in over the land or under the land. Yeah. After only they kill. Before the land, this is before the land, never strangling. Just cover the tree.
Okay.
When like this, root spread in the land, that after only they kill. They have any small holes or like this open place, the root spread inside. Then after that root become big, grow. Yeah. And then automatically it will die. So then again termites eat this.
Right.
After still only this.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's very spacey also.
Branch.
It's rooted itself.
This is a rosewood, big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very general food.
Yeah.
We're on a wonderful jungle hike now. We've seen all sorts of birds and monkeys.
Beginning like this. Look up this tree. October white.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Black.
Yes.
Yeah. There is a white one is strangler fig.
Right.
After growing down, then strangling kill up the tree.
Just the top there.
Just come here.
White.